In this video, I'm going to show you guys how can you set custom low battery notification on your iPhone. Let's get started. Open Shortcuts app. This is the default app in your device. If you cannot find this app, you can navigate to App Store, search for the app and then download it. Now I can launch it. Click on the option Automation. Click on the option New Automation. Different options will appear. Navigate to the option Battery Level. Click on it. Check in for the option Run Immediately. Then use the slider to set the low battery power percentage. I'm going to set it to 25%. Then you will need to click on the option Next. Now click on the option Speed Test. Now type in the text that you want to enable when your battery is low. So I'm going to type in low battery. Then you can click on Done. Now whenever your battery reaches the percentage that you have set, you will be notified. And that's it. This is how you can easily set low battery notification on iPhone. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.